Find the slope of this line. We can use any 2 points on the line to find the slope. Let's just choose two. Let's choose this point, which is the point 2, 4. And let's also choose this point, which is 5, negative 2. Now remember that slope is the change in y over the change in x. We can write slope m as y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1. And let's let 2, 4 be x1, y1, and then this point will be x2, y2. Now we'll just substitute. y2 is negative 2, and I subtract y1, which is 4. x2 is 5, and I subtract x1, which is 2. So I have negative 6 over 3, and this simplifies to negative 2. So the slope of this line is negative 2.